Have you ever wondered what's behind IKEA's ability to keep our homes both stylish and functional, all while staying affordable? Each season, IKEA introduces new products designed to solve everyday problems, celebrate creativity, and embrace sustainability. From multifunctional furniture to decor that adds personality to your space, their fresh releases are always a source of inspiration. Which new IKEA innovation will capture your heart and transform your space? ÄLGANÄS Hat and Coat Stand. Transform your entryway into an organized haven with the ÄLGANÄS Hat and Coat Stand. This light blue gem is not just practical but stylish, adding a touch of Scandinavian minimalism to your space. Its sleek design accommodates hats, coats, and scarves while occupying minimal floor space, perfect for compact hallways or apartments. Crafted with a sturdy frame, this stand ensures durability, and its powder-coated finish is both elegant and resistant to daily wear and tear. The soft blue tone is versatile, effortlessly complementing both neutral and bold interior palettes. Pair it with a bench or shoe rack to create a cohesive, welcoming entryway. ÄLGANÄS is named after a serene Swedish village, embodying the stand's balance of simplicity and charm. BANJANTRÄD Shower Curtain. Who says your bathroom can't have personality? The BANJANTRÄD shower curtain injects life into your space with its vibrant multicolor print, inspired by tropical foliage. Made from high-quality polyester, this curtain is not only visually appealing, but also water-resistant and easy to clean. A quick wipe or toss in the washing machine keeps it fresh, making it perfect for busy households. Its botanical design creates a spa-like ambiance, turning your daily shower into a retreat. Pair it with earthy bath mats or bamboo accessories for a cohesive tropical vibe. SVÄMSKOG Self-Watering Ensyr. Insert. Say goodbye to thirsty plants with the SVÄMSKOG Self-Watering Insert. Designed in terracotta and transparent plastic, this clever device keeps your plants hydrated while reducing the risk of overwatering. Simply fill the reservoir and your plants will absorb the moisture they need. Ideal for busy plant parents or those new to gardening, it's a lifesaver for keeping greenery thriving. Its earthy terracotta finish seamlessly blends with most pots, making it functional yet discreet. The design takes inspiration from traditional watering techniques used in arid climates, offering a modern twist on ancient wisdom. Use it with herbs, ferns, or even decorative flowers for a lush, low-maintenance look in any room. FEJKA Artificial Potted Plant with Pot. Set of 3. If you're not blessed with a green thumb, the FEJKA Artificial Potted Plant Set is your ticket to adding a touch of nature without the fuss. This trio includes lifelike greenery housed in minimalistic pots, suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Their realistic texture and detailing are impressive, making them indistinguishable from live plants. Perfect for shelves, desks, or even your bathroom, they instantly liven up any corner. The pot's neutral design complements various aesthetics, from modern to rustic. Did you know? FEJKA is Swedish for fake, but you'd hardly believe it looking at these beauties. They're the ultimate low-maintenance decor hack for adding a refreshing vibe to your home. GLADELIG Pitcher. Elevate your table setting with the GLADELIG Pitcher in a serene blue hue. This stoneware piece is as functional as it is beautiful, perfect for serving beverages or displaying as a decorative vase. Its durable design is dishwasher safe, making it practical for everyday use, while the artisanal finish adds a handmade touch to your dining experience. The soft blue glaze complements IKEA's GLADELIG dinnerware collection, allowing you to create a cohesive table setting. Pro tip: fill it with fresh flowers for a stunning centerpiece when not in use. FEJKA Artificial Potted Plant, Cherry Blossoms. The FEJKA Artificial Potted Plant is a masterstroke of design for anyone craving a touch of natural beauty without the maintenance. Designed to mimic the delicate elegance of cherry blossoms, this plant brings a serene and timeless charm to any space. Whether you're styling a minimalist bedroom, a shabby chic living room, or a modern outdoor patio, the soft pink blooms add a whisper of spring. What sets this piece apart is its versatility. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, thanks to its UV-resistant material. The pot is neutral in tone, blending seamlessly into any aesthetic. Place it in a woven basket for an added layer of texture. You'll enjoy the look of fresh cherry blossoms all year round. No green thumb required? Flower. NORRMANSÖ bench. Outdoor. The NORRMANSÖ bench combines functionality with Scandinavian elegance, making it a must-have for your outdoor oasis. Crafted from sustainably sourced acacia wood, its natural tones and clean lines radiate simplicity and sophistication. Perfect for a patio or garden, the bench pairs effortlessly with outdoor cushions or a cozy throw for cooler evenings. What makes it special? Its durability. Acacia wood is naturally resistant to the elements, and IKEA's added layer of protective oil ensures it stays beautiful season after season. Style tip: pair it with potted plants or lanterns to create an inviting vignette. Whether it's for lounging with coffee or hosting an al fresco dinner, this bench elevates outdoor living. GULDAKLEJA Comforter Set, red-brown stripe. The GULDAKLEJA Comforter Set is a beautiful nod to classic Scandinavian textiles with its warm red-brown tones and subtle stripes. Crafted from 100% cotton, it's not only soft and breathable, but also sustainably sourced, which makes it a win-win for both comfort and the environment. The timeless design works perfectly in rustic, farmhouse, or even contemporary bedrooms. Its earthy hues make it easy to layer with neutral or patterned throws for added depth and coziness. Pro tip: pair it with a beige or cream rug to highlight its warm tones. This set isn't just bedding, it's an instant bedroom makeover. VÄLVÅRDAD Organizer. Meet the VÄLVÅRDAD Organizer, a sleek and practical solution for anyone looking to declutter stylishly. Its clean white design is perfect for storing toiletries, craft supplies, or even office essentials, fitting seamlessly into modern, minimalistic, or Scandinavian-style interiors. What makes it a standout? Its compact design and easy-to-clean surface make it ideal for small spaces. It's lightweight yet sturdy, and the divided compartments keep everything in its place. Pro tip: use it in your vanity for a polished and organized look. With the VÄLVÅRDAD Organizer, tidying up feels chic and effortless. SUNDSÖ Folding Chair. The SUNDSÖ folding chair is an outdoor essential that doesn't sacrifice style for practicality. With its deep blue finish, it exudes a coastal vibe, perfect for beach houses, patios, or even a small balcony setup. This lightweight chair is incredibly easy to fold and store, making it a great choice for spaces of all sizes. Despite its portability, it boasts a sturdy steel frame with a powder-coated finish for extra durability. Style tip: pair it with a striped cushion or a throw blanket for a pop of color. It's ideal for impromptu gatherings or simply enjoying a sunny afternoon. BRIMNES Headboard with Storage Compartment. The BRIMNES Headboard is a genius solution for anyone who values functionality and aesthetic simplicity in their bedroom. Available in a chic gray finish, it perfectly complements both modern and minimalist interiors. Its clever design includes hidden storage compartments that are perfect for stashing books, electronics, or bedtime essentials, eliminating the need for cluttered bedside tables. The shelving is thoughtfully adjustable, allowing you to customize it to your specific needs. Pair it with IKEA's BRIMNES bed frame for a cohesive look. Aspirin Greenhouse, transparent white. The Aspirin Greenhouse is a miniature marvel for plant lovers and design enthusiasts alike. Its transparent white finish adds a subtle elegance while allowing natural light to cascade through, creating an optimal environment for small plants or herbs. It's a delightful way to bring greenery indoors, perfect for windowsills, desks, or even kitchen counters. Made from lightweight materials, it's easy to move around while staying durable enough to protect your plants. EKHOLMA Love Seat. The EK Holma Love Seat is a cozy invitation to relax. Its Kailanda light beige upholstery brings a fresh, neutral tone that effortlessly blends into any living room or reading nook. Built with comfort in mind, the Love Seat boasts plush cushions and a sturdy frame, ensuring it withstands years of use. The sleek, clean lines of the Scandinavian-inspired design give it a timeless appeal, while the compact size makes it an excellent choice for apartments or smaller spaces. The removable cushion covers are machine washable, making maintenance a breeze. Style it with a textured throw and vibrant pillows for an extra touch of personality. Tonstad Coffee Table, where function meets design. The Tonstad Coffee Table is an embodiment of IKEA's knack for blending function with style. Its off-white finish is versatile and brings an airy, bright vibe to your living space. The table is thoughtfully designed with integrated storage, including a magazine rack and an open shelf, ensuring your space stays neat and organized. The sleek, rounded edges give it a modern yet soft aesthetic, while its compact size makes it perfect for smaller living rooms. Crafted with durable materials, it's both practical and elegant. Pair it with the Ekholma love seat for a harmonious, cozy living space setup. Maven Bowl, brown ceramic. The Maven Bowl is more than just a piece of tableware. It's a statement. Crafted from earthy brown ceramic, each bowl carries the charm of being handmade, giving it a unique texture and finish. Perfect for serving snacks, holding trinkets, or simply as a decorative centerpiece, it adds warmth and a touch of rustic sophistication to your space. The natural hues make it easy to pair with other IKEA ceramics, creating a cohesive table setting. Whether you use it daily or save it for special occasions, the Maven Bowl seamlessly combines practicality with artisanal elegance. With every launch, IKEA reminds us why it's a go-to for people seeking practical yet beautiful home solutions. Their latest offerings embody thoughtful design, affordability, and a commitment to sustainability. What's more, these items are created with real homes and real people in mind, proving once again that design should be accessible to all. Have you explored the latest IKEA finds yet? Which of their new ideas might inspire your next home makeover? Let your imagination lead the way. If you want more videos like this, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.